Hello from Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil. I'm just joking. Right now we are in Malawi, Africa, and we decided to talk about our past trips to South America. So I'm going to be talking about today Foz do Iguaçu, which is in Brazil, but also half of it is in Argentina. So you have Argentina and Brazil. How we got there is we flew from Rio and took an airplane, like a flight to Foz do Iguaçu.
See, you've got Brazil, yellow, green, and then Argentina. That's an easy way to remember the colors of their flag.
That's so cool, eh? We're in Argentina, guys.
Yahoo! So Foz do Iguaçu is like really big. It's like ginormous. So you'll need at least 2 days or like more, because like when you get there you'll see it's like big. It's like one of the biggest waterfalls in the world. So you can do it in one day if you just want to do one side, but since we wanted to do both sides, like Argentina and Brazil, then it took longer. And also you do a lot of walking, so make sure you have comfortable shoes and closed shoes or like water shoes, because my mom, she got bitten by some kind of bug, and then her foot started swelling up for a week, so we didn't know what it was. But so just be careful when you're there, or put on bug spray. So,
It was very painful and I could hardly walk on it. It was crazy.
So to get there, from the town you take a bus into the water area.
The park, I guess.
Park, yeah. And then you have to do a lot of walking, like almost like a half day, full day of walking. When you're there, you also they say when you have food, be careful, because there is animals there. Like we saw monkeys, and also there's these animals that we didn't really see anywhere else. But the monkeys are the animals, sorry. They're like almost like a raccoon with another animal. So they're called Quatis.
Yeah? Where are we going, guys?
To the waterfalls.
The waterfalls? Are we going to the waterfalls? Yeah?
And when we travel, sometimes we like to bring our Swiss chocolate, like our last one or two, and took it from us because we had it in a bag which was loose, and it just grabbed it. So
They come up to you,
Yeah.
and if you're kind of like protective of it, it probably wouldn't do it, but we were a little scared, right?
yeah,
And so we just kind of let the animal eat our chocolate.
yeah. So it was super hot when we went. It was like, but you get cooled off there because when you go right beside the waterfall, you can get like splashed by the waterfalls, and it's nice. There's some cool things to do in there, like basically it's this path and you walk straight, you walk like out, and then you're like literally in a circle, and all you see is like waterfalls. So it's like you're in the middle of
You feel like you're going to
Yeah.
fall into it, right?
Yeah.
We are so hot and now wet.
Also something there you can do in Foz do Iguaçu. Like from the town, you're really close to Paraguay if you're on the Brazilian side. So what we decided to do is cross the border by foot, because you can do that, to Paraguay. And then we just went across, but apparently it was dangerous, so we didn't do much. All we did was go into the little store and then take a couple pictures.
What did the guy tell us? Like the one guy we were taking a picture?
We asked the guy to take our picture, and then he said, oh, be careful, because if you ask some people, they'll run away with your grandma. And then he said, even like knockoff socks, they'll steal. Like if you go up the streets, you're like, okay, well, we'll just stay around the border, just go in the store and then go back to Brazil. Inside the park, Foz do Iguaçu, there was restaurants to get some food and drinks, so it was really nice atmosphere, really nice to see.
Yeah, and how hot was it, Julia?
Really hot.
Super hot, right? We were so hot.
So there is an entrance fee to go inside the park. I don't remember, but there is one. Maybe we'll put in the description how much it is. We'll see. It's definitely like worth going. It's breathtaking views and everything. So in our next video, you'll see that we rented a car in Foz do Iguaçu and we drove all the way across Brazil to the east coast. And so stay tuned to watch Florianopolis. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.